Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive maintenance guide for the HP16C. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the essential steps needed to keep your device running smoothly. Let's dive into the process. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, a microfiber cloth, and some isopropyl alcohol. These items will help you effectively clean and maintain your HP16C. To begin, make sure your device is powered off and unplugged from any power source. This is crucial for your safety and the safety of the device. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of the HP16C. Keep these screws organized, as you'll need them later. Once the back panel is removed, you'll see the internal components. Here, it's important to be gentle. Use the can of compressed air to blow away any dust or debris that has accumulated inside. This helps prevent overheating and maintains the efficiency of your device. If you notice any stubborn dirt, lightly dampen the microfiber cloth with isopropyl alcohol and wipe down the surfaces. Avoid excessive moisture, as this can damage the internal parts. Now, let's check the fans. If they are covered in dust, give them a careful clean using the compressed air. A clean fan ensures proper airflow and cooling, which is essential for the performance of your HP16C. After cleaning the internal components, it's time to reassemble the device. Carefully place the back panel back onto the device and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure they are tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening as this can cause damage. If you find that your device still isn't functioning as expected after maintenance, don't worry. If you don't have the tools or prefer professional help, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service allows you to avoid any hassle of calls or travel, making it convenient for you. Now, once everything is back in place, plug in your HP16C and power it on. Check to see if everything is functioning correctly. If there are any issues, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. This way, you can understand the situation better without any pressure. Lastly, if repairs are needed, you will receive a quote before any work is done. This transparency ensures you're informed about the costs involved. In summary, regular maintenance can greatly enhance the lifespan and performance of your HP16C. By following these steps, you can ensure that your device remains in excellent condition. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out for help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.